ChatGPT linked to alleged leak of confidential information at Samsung. Well, they kept warning employees. They're like, hey, man, careful what you're asking in there.
Stop talking to them.
You're training this thing. You're training it, and you don't really know how it's going to distribute or how that training is going to influence future answers for other people. The controversial chatbot has wowed individuals. Yes, what went wrong? Samsung employees were granted ChatGPT access not more than 3 weeks ago. During their casual usage of the tool, the employees surely asked questions and received replies. It is likely that the employees at Samsung's were not completely made aware of how the AI tool works, because had they been told, they would surely not have put sensitive information into the text prompt of the tool. One can assume this to be true since it reportedly happened on 3 separate occasions in the short period of time since ChatGPT was made available. Yeah, it is not your spot for sensitive information, although I wonder when it will be, because ultimately, if you're spending a lot of money on these types of AI as a company or as an employee at a company working on projects, there's going to have to be some private version at some point, in which case there's no possibility of these things surfacing. But I don't know, because it seems so important at this point that everything is training of some kind.
And it goes back to the mothership.
Mothership. Talking about ByteDance?
Well, ultimate ChatGPT.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I'm just joking around.
Yeah.
Since you said mothership.
Yeah.
First incident reportedly occurred inside the Semiconductor and Device Solutions Department, where staff members executing a semiconductor equipment measurement database download software faced an issue. Since it appeared that the issue surfaced from the source code of software, the employee simply pasted the source code into ChatGPT and asked the AI tool to find the solution to the problem. Yeah, there you go.
Which ChatGPT is really good at that, just finding errors in code.
As long as the code is not extremely sensitive.
Yeah. Paste their whole database in there.
Yeah, you're dead. You're dead.
It's fix this problem.
There's going to be a lot of learning that has to go on over here.
Yeah.